Welcome to a super cold and frosty Feral Manor. It is just gone 8 o'clock and it is minus 3 degrees outside. It is cold. It was minus 6.1 overnight, and I'm just out to have a look at the garden, and I think the sad reality, just turn the camera around, the sad reality is that our citrus, even though they're under the protection of trees, have really copped it overnight. So it sounds counterintuitive, but I'm taking a watering can to them, and partly because the hose is frozen solid. But the big difference in a plant surviving a really heavy frost, or one of the key differences, is that the difference between the temperature when it's cold and the daytime temperature can be really high. We're expecting 13 degrees today, and so that's a temperature differential of 18 degrees. And if the plant doesn't have sufficient water, it's more likely to die, not just from the cold, but from the lack of water. So I've just come back in with a can of water and I'm having a go. I've just watered all of the citrus, and hopefully that might just help get them through this situation. Hard to know. The yuzu's meant to be a bit more frost tolerant than the lemons. Some of the lemons are looking bad. The red centre lime is looking quite happy. I think it's probably more protected than the others. So we'll have to see. And just one word of caution. In temperate Australia at the moment, a lot of people are fertilising their citrus trees. Don't do that if you're in a cold climate like Canberra. It is too early to feed your trees. All that is going to happen is you'll encourage new growth, which is going to get knocked off by one of these horrible frosts, which we're still expecting to happen over the next 2 months. So just remember, don't feed your citrus just yet in Canberra. Make sure they've got plenty of water though.